In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Form responses in our Google Forms tutorial for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to see the data gathered from your Google Forms, you're in the right place. We'll be going through each step carefully to ensure you know exactly how to view responses you've collected in your Google Forms. First, you need to navigate to Google Forms by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Forms website. You can search for it via your usual search engine or, if you prefer, simply go to the URL directly. Once there, sign in if you haven't already. Now that we're on Google Forms, I have a sample form already created to streamline this demonstration for us. This will help us skip the initial steps of form creation and focus purely on viewing responses. If you haven't created a form before, it's quite straightforward and involves setting up questions and various response fields as per your needs. For the sake of demonstration, let's pretend we're crafting a simple question to get the ball rolling. Our sample form asks, "What is 2 plus 2?" Creating such simple forms can help you quickly gather responses, and this forms the fundamental component of our tutorial today. Assuming the correct answer to our question is 4, let's proceed to the exciting part where we see how you can view the responses you've collected. To visualize the responses, first, locate the Responses tab at the top of your form. Click on it to open up the Responses dashboard. Now that you're in the Responses section, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the different displays and metrics that Google Forms offers. Here, you can see a summary of all the entries made in your form, which provides a quick overview of response trends. The responses are often presented in easy-to-read graphs and charts, making it ideal for getting an instant picture of your data. Feel free to explore the Individual Response tab to scrutinize entries on a more granular level. This is particularly useful if you need detailed feedback on a specific response. Additionally, Google Forms provides the option to export your data directly into Google Sheets for further analysis. Just click on the green Sheets icon and your data transfers immediately, allowing you to leverage the full power of data manipulation and visualization tools that Sheets offers. This concludes our quick tutorial on viewing Google Form responses. Remember, with each form you create and every response you gather, you're only a click away from having a comprehensive understanding of your data metrics. I hope you find viewing responses in Google Forms as straightforward and resourceful as we intended it to be. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy form viewing.